Opus IVS has launched a new remote assist programming service for users of the DrivePro diagnostics device, allowing independent garages to program and code ECUs using the latest OEM data by connecting directly with remote technicians. DriveRAP brings together the advanced technologies of DrivePro and the expert knowledge of AutoLogic's OEM-trained master technicians through its unique remote assist program.
Remote services that adds convenience. It allow independent garages access to OEM software through us for these processes without having to visit a dealer. Garage ends is actually very simple. All we would ask is that their DrivePro unit is connected to a vehicle, battery maintenance unit is connected to the vehicle, and the DrivePro connected to the internet. Once that's done, all we then need from the technician is simple ignition cycles, normally at the beginning of a process and usually at the end. This end is where the magic happens, really. It's where we carry out all of the procedures in the background of the tool.
Whether a repair requires control unit reprogramming, variant coding, or a complex OEM diagnostic procedure, Opus IVS technicians can take remote control of your DrivePro and complete the reprogramming procedure for you.
As cars get more and more complex, each model that is released has got something new on it. They're becoming increasingly aware that with their sensors, parts, all kinds of parts, all need a reset or a calibration. And most of those calibrations have to be done within the dealer network. So what this offers is the ability to keep that car within your network and not have to transport it to the dealer.
Coverage currently includes Ford, Peugeot, Citroën, DS, Vauxhall, Opel and Volvo, and there's already testing underway to expand coverage even further.
One of our most popular sort of requests at the moment is for the PSA group with the alternator stops charging. And what it is it's just simply a software update to the engine ECU. But a lot of people don't have access to the PSA dealer side, or their dealerships are too far away, or they're too expensive, and so on and so forth. So a lot of them will just come in, give us a call, say they need to do the update because it's part of a bulletin, and we'll carry that out for them.
For further information about DriveRAP, go to opusivs.com or call 01865 870 060.